So we are going to cut along. These are just as much fun as our minis because they come in lots of different pieces and you can mix and match them. They're perfect for spring because you can make bouquets and use different colors. And if you don't want to get creative like that, it comes with the really cute border that you can just use as flowers. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and do this. I'm going to fuzz this because it's brand new transfer. Another tip, if I can find a pen, is that on the back of this, one side is paper and one side is gloss. You always want to stick the sticky side of your transfer to the glossy side. And if you need help remembering that, when you go to take a new transfer off, just write back on it. And you can even write back fresh start because that's the name of the transfer. Okay, and then just leave that to the side. And when you go to wash your transfer, you will know that this is the back of the backer sheet and this is the front. So to lay the sticker or the transfer, the sticky side on this one. Okay, so just a little tip. When you're fuzzing them, it's nothing special. Don't get overwhelmed by the idea of fuzzing your transfer. You're just going to lay it down on really any surface and pick it up a couple of times. Okay. Okay, and now this transfer is offset. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do every day is a fresh, and then I'm going to heat set it and put start right in the middle. I'm pretty sure that we can start it. And what I want to do is I'm actually going to put start. I'm still going to do the same technique where I peel and peek, but I'm going to move start over just a little, and then I'm going to use our accessory pack, and I'm going to put a flower here and a flower here. Okay. Okay, so I have decided to do this in this beautiful, beautiful light pink. This is called Shimmer Melon. And let me grab a stir stick. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stir this up. You can see that it kind of separated, and that's okay. What happens in my room is that I have an air or a wall heater. Oh, try not to do that though, guys. So when my wall heater is not on, which isn't all the time, we don't leave it on overnight, my paste needs to come out. And if it doesn't come out, it kind of dries out a little. That's okay. You can just add some water to it. I have our fine mist sprayer. I'm just going to put a couple mists of water in it. And then we're just going to stir it up. And you'll see that it comes back to the consistency of yogurt is what you're looking for. And you just want to add a little bit of water at a time because it will come back. Okay, and as you can see, it's coming back. So we're going to take that stir stick. And you can wash these and reuse them if you want. I'm going to put mine right in my water bath. And then I'm going to grab, I prefer using the mini squeegees, but any squeegee will do. Make sure your transfer is all the way down and that there's no air pockets in it. And remember, we're not going to do this part and we're not going to do the flowers. And if your paste is the consistency of a yogurt, then it should slide right on. If it's not, that's okay, guys. Just add a little bit of water. I love these transfers. I really feel like January is a month where you just need a little extra motivation. We're all making those New Year's resolutions, and it's a new year, new me. We're all looking to, make this year better than last year. And these are just some really good reminders. Like every day is a fresh start. Wake up. It doesn't have to be January 1st for it to be spectacular. Okay, so we're going to just peel that off for a second. Set my transfer to the side. I am not going to wash it I'm going to grab my heat gun. And I am just going to heat set this because I'm going to lay my transfer back down so I can center the word start. But what I don't want is I don't want to lay my transfer down in wet paste, because then what will happen is it'll peel it back up and it'll look really bad. It will not be as fresh. See what I did there, guys? We're also going to jump in and do the gold frame too. So it's kind of a 2-for-1 today. Again, if you love our projects and you either want to give chalk to our try, just let me know and I will set you up with some samples. Okay? And if you love our projects, then make sure to share. Okay, because Chalk Couture is so simple that anyone can do it. Okay, so you don't have to necessarily be the crafty type of person to enjoy decorating your home. I'm just using the artist tool set to clean this up a little bit. It allows you to come in and just work more of the details. Hold that up so you guys can see. It's kind of like a very pale pink. It is a shimmery color. We're just going to give it a second longer. This part should be dry, but I want to make sure that part that I touched up is dry as well. And if you're watching your paste, you can kind of see it dry because it goes from a liquid to a hard mat. Okay, so we're going to grab this transfer. Remember, we didn't even wash it off, and we are going to put. So I'm going to put one here and one here with the accessory. So I'm going to put start over here, as close to the edge as I can get it. And you can feel it. You can feel the edge of the board and base right underneath here. Okay, and then here I'm not going to push it down. I'm just going to kind of let it sit there. Because it's dry, that transfer shouldn't have any problem sticking. And plus we're not working up there, so that should be completely okay. We are using the same exact color down here. Excuse me. And there you go, guys. That's how it fits. Before that transfer was not fitting, and now it has introduced like accessories, and I am loving them. Guys, these are made from felt. Okay, so they're not like paper or anything. They are super thick. They're 3D. They come with your stickers, okay, and it's enough double-sided tape to tape these on and to tape this onto whatever you're using. I'm so excited about these. Seriously, it wasn't. The hardest part was getting those stickers off the tape. That sits right in like that, and there's a little hole up on top here. And you just screw it in. There you guys have it. Is that not adorable? Oh my goodness.